Hey everyone, and welcome to Groove Builders, the show where we create together. I'm your host, Disorderly Cone, and in this episode, we're going to be creating helping hands. Now, helping hands are very useful for different kinds of projects, especially when it comes to holding small things. But most of helping hands don't actually come with any kind of instructions on how to put them together. Don't worry, we're going to be building ours together today. Let's get down to the workbench, take this whole thing apart, look at everything, and put it together.
Groovers, welcome to the workbench. We have our partners helping hands. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have. It's a pretty just plain box, if you ask me. Okay. All right, I understand why some people would be looking to get this built. It's a lot of parts. Magnifying glass with light, very cool. Our clips. Our base. And it looks like some twist ties. Okay, well, there's no instruction booklet, so this will be fun. I'm sure it won't be that complicated. Let's go ahead and get all this stuff out and see how it all goes together. Alright, I think I got everything figured out. So what we're going to do is we are going to place these guys into the base just by screwing it down like this. Okay. Not bad. And these are actually pretty stiff too, which is kind of nice. Put that there. And I think I can actually put one of these guys in here too. It looks like it goes cap to cap here. Let's just kind of sandwich that in. Very good. Okay, there's our first little arm put on. Now we can continue on here. What I like about this, it looks like I can take these off too as I need them. Which, if you're working on a project, you may not need every single one of these arms. Okay, looks like this arm's a little bit different, and it's also longer, which tells me this might go to our mirror. So we're going to put this one to a side right now. Okay, well I guess that's secure enough. It gets to a point where these guys just don't turn anymore. There we go. Okay, and I guess finally we have our light here. Now I know that this one has to go down here. And the reason why I say that is because it's the same size. The one at the top there is actually a little bit smaller. You can probably see that there. There we go. Now let's bend that guy down, bend these guys down like this. That's just kind of fun to play with, I'm not gonna lie. And now we're gonna secure this light. And if you look inside here, you can see there's a little female end here to our male, and we're gonna screw that in. Now I'm gonna do my best here not to kind of get the cable too tangled up. Let's see if I can do one of these maneuvers. Trying to hold this cable out of the way, keep screwing around the base there. I think that's pretty good. It's nice and tight. All right, now that we have our magnifying glass on, we put all these other clips on. But that magnifying glass definitely makes this whole thing a little heavy on the one side. So I'm gonna try to put that down like this for right now. And then these guys are just simply pressed in. I'm not gonna lie, they're really easy to push in. Okay, now put this right in the center here. I got all these guys down so you can see everything. There we go. We have everything completed here and it's plugged in. So let's go see how bright this light is. there she be. That's it's actually a really nice light. I'm kind of impressed by that. I wonder what else I can do here with the control. Just so you can see the controller here, I have to put it down here because it's kind of hard to bring it all the way up where it's plugged in. This is the control. You have an on and off switch. You have a brightness setting here. I'm assuming that's what that is. Can I dim the light? Yeah, there you go. That's actually really nice. And you can see my fan in the background there too. Now, what else can this do? Huh. Interesting. It has like different kinds of shades of light here. That's nice. That's really nice. It actually has 3 different shades. You have like kind of a orange light here, and then it kind of goes to a bluer shade, and then a mixture of the two. Very nice. All right, Groovers, let's get back out.
All right, sir, I think we did it. We brought to life an alien object, and for the most part, it's docile. Oh no! Ah, my feet! Oh, my feet! I can't get up! Oh, hey everyone, and welcome back. We did it. We built ourselves an awesome pair of helping hands. Let me get this light off there. This thing is actually really awesome. Not only do we have a really nice bright light with a couple of different varying features, but we have a really good magnifier and some strong hands too. This metal base provides a really sturdy area for all of our projects that we're going to be doing, and these clamps here, well, I'm going to keep those rubber feet on them in case I have any metal projects that I'm going to need. Now, will this come in handy for 3D metal projects? I don't think so. I mainly got this for a lot of electronic work we're going to be doing in the future, and also some of the welding with our 3D parts. What do I mean? Well, you're going to have to stay tuned for that. But overall, I'm really impressed by this. Now, when these arms do become loose, which I do expect that to happen, I can always 3D print myself some better ones, which I think is a really neat feature. But if you don't have access to a 3D printer at home, you might want to look for one that has some stronger arms, just so you have some longevity in them. Alright, Groovers, that brings us to the end of our episode. I really had a good time building our pair of helping hands here, and if you guys had a good time, don't forget to press that like button. For more videos like this, hit subscribe as well, as we got all kinds of really cool content coming out in the future. Until next time, keep building. Now, I'm going to try to keep us away from GB1. I think he might try to play the Squid Game too.